Hi friends, it's Dana here. I have a wee bit of a cold, and so I was inspired to find a book that talks about things like germs that give people colds. I don't know about you, but when I get sick, it's always a bit of a mystery. Where did I get that germ that made me feel this way? It's really hard to tell because we can't see germs. But in this book, we get to take a microscope and actually see where they live and about how big they are. And it's all pretty impressive. So let's read it. It's called Do Not Lick This Book. It is by Idan Barak and Julian Frost. Here we go. This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? That one right there? Microbes are so small that 3,422,167 of them could fit on it. Microbes live everywhere. In your intestines, in the air, in your sock, on trumpets, at the bottom of the sea, Antarctica, underground, on elephants' knees, in your breakfast, inside this fish, on top of Mount Everest, up Santa's nose, just over there. Min lives in this book. And if you could look really, really closely, you'd see her. This is a photo of paper, really, really close up. I'm bored. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives, right there. Touch the circle with your finger. There we go, to pick her up. Min is now on your finger. Away we go! Where shall we take Min first? Take me to your teeth. Okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch the front teeth with your finger. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of a tooth, really, really close up. Whoa, this place is weird. I'm Min. What are you guys up to? I'm Ray. We're digging cavities. Want to help? Can I get some acid over here? Yuck, can you smell toothpaste? Hey kid, brush your teeth less and eat more candy. What a strange place teeth are when you look really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth to pick Min up. Looks like we've picked up Ray as well. Well, where shall we go next? Would you like to visit a shirt, Ray? Shirt? All right, let's explore your shirt. Put your finger on your shirt to send Min and Ray on an adventure. Now, let's look really, really close. This is a photo of fabric, really, really close up. I'm Min and this is Ray. We're on an adventure. Adventure! Nice to meet you. My name is Dennis. We're making this shirt smell. Gross, I found a clean patch. Dennis, there's some lovely filth down here. Can you give me a hand spreading this dirt around? What's a hand? I hope we don't get put in the wash for a few more days. What a strange place shirts are when you look really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt to pick 'em up. Dennis has come along for the ride. We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go? Shall we visit a belly button, Dennis? What's a belly button? Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle it around. Now let's look really, really close. This is a photo of skin, really, really close up. Hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis. I'm Jake, welcome. We don't get many visitors. This shirt is weird. I'm Ray. Help yourself to a delicious chunk of dead skin. Ah, I do enjoy a nice drink of sweat on a hot day. Did I tell you about the time soap got all the way in here? I don't like scary stories. What a strange place skin is when you look really, really closely. No wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back in your belly button to pick up Min and her friends. That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come? What's a book? Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. Here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Where will you take Min tomorrow? Hopefully you'll take Min to the cleaners. My goodness. All right, friends, here is the rest of the book. It shows you which type of microbe each of the different characters in this book were and the folks who created it, which is so fun. Those pictures of those different things, like the shirt and the skin, are actual photographs taken by this gal named Linnea using a microscope with a camera on it. It's really cool. I hope you all had fun taking a trip, or giving all of these microbes a trip and exploring the different places microbes live. And I hope you all stay healthy and happy and have lots of fun. Thank you so much for reading with me. Bye.